Hey Javid, I have prepared my resume. Can you check this out and let me know if it is looking good? Sure, let me have a look. Hey, there are so many mistakes in your resume. Are you doing the same? Then this video is for you. Watch till the end. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Muhammad Javid, your career coach. So in today's video, we are going to look what are the common mistakes we all do in our resume and how to correct them. Also, I have a bonus tip for you, so watch till the end. Okay, so first let's see what is the first mistake we all do. The very first mistake we all do in our resume is having a very long resume. It's not that always we need to have a longer one. Even a very shorter or even a one pager will be very powerful. It's not that what all you did you have to put in your resume. It's about what important aspects you want the recruiter to know. That is very important. So even a one pager is going to be very effective, but ensure you do put in all the information in your resume which is going to help you. Okay, coming to our second mistake which we usually do. What usually many candidates do in their resume is to put inappropriate things which is not required. For example, age, marital status or religion, all these are not needed. What is very important, which we miss most often, is email address. And that too, what I have observed in many resume when I have done so many interviews is people put their very informal kind of email ID. For example, let's say an example, Rakesh the rocker at gmail.com, or the best engineer. So please avoid using those kind of informal email addresses. Instead, have a very professional email ID where your first name or your last name or any decent name along with one or two numbers, that would suffice. That is very important. So don't miss to mention your email address along with your contact number. These are the two key things which any HR or recruiter is going to look in your resume. So this is the mistake we have to avoid. Yes, coming to mistake number 3. What we do in our resume is we miss to put roles and responsibility. What we do, I did in my own resume the same mistake which I had corrected later. So oftentimes what we miss out is we miss out on what roles we take up in a project, what are our core responsibility which we are ought to do in the project or organization. These are the key things which any HR or a recruitment manager is going to look for, and your resume is just going to be looked out for 5 to 6 second max, and they are going to draw a conclusion. So be very careful in mentioning these pointers. Especially this is for experienced candidates who have different roles and different project responsibilities, different career roles they have taken in their organization. They will have to mention all these in the reverse chronological order. For freshers, this may not be applicable. In that case, what freshers you all can do is whatever project you did in college, those things you can mention, and stuff like that, or whatever in-plant training you did, what value addition you have done, those you can try to add in your resume. So please avoid this mistake. Mention very clear roles, responsibilities, how long duration you did those roles and responsibility. Make it very crisp and clear. Mistake number 4. We don't have to mention deeper project details in our resume. Most of the times I have also seen candidates mentioning too much of project details which is not required. Instead, what value you have created in the project, that is very important. Let's take an example of an IT job. Let's say you are a QA developer, or let's say a QA tester or a developer, and if by you joining the project has reduced some defects, you can mention, I have reduced 10% of defects in the project by following this automation pattern or by following Cucumber framework, so on and so forth. Similarly, let's say you are in a marketing role, you can mention your experience or expertise have reduced or made 5% more reach in marketing customers. So these are the kind of values recruiters are going to look for in the resume, so that that is going to create an advantage for you, because those are the value creators which they are going to see, and that is going to be an edge for you. And here comes the bonus tip. Whatever job description is given to you, just go through the job description and copy those words and ensure that you put those words here and there in your resume. Let's take an example. You are applying for a IT manager job. So they would have asked, let's say, a certified Scrum Master certification or a PMP certification or any certification for that matter, or they would have asked what are the delivery responsibilities. Ensure you put these names, exact names, in your resume in the area of responsibility of your project. So what is the advantage? Recruiter are going to look for those keywords in your resume, and they are going to call you for a opportunity, or they are going to filter your resume for sending an email. Let's say you are applying for a hotel management job. Whatever job description mentioned in that job, try to put that exact keywords somewhere or the other in the resume, so that it grabs the recruiter attention and you get the call for that face-to-face interview. So these are the common mistakes which candidates usually do. I have shared them all with you. So don't do these mistakes, and ensure that you remember what all points I told and you avoid these mistakes. And do let me know in comment if you have any questions or doubts, and I will help you reply in clarifying. Thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel, and also check out my previous video where I have shared with you all what are the tips and tricks to crack any interview. Thank you.